What's going on, everybody? My name is Randell, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to turn this shop wall into something way cooler. I've always been interested in like graffiti art, stuff like that, but for me to free draw something, I don't think it's really going to turn out the way I want it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw on a stencil and we're going to paint it a bunch of geometric designs. Anyways, so I think it's going to be pretty cool. Definitely something new for me. I have no idea how it's going to turn out, so hopefully it's cool. You guys stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for checking it out. thanks for finishing the video. Thanks for checking it out. Hope you guys enjoyed. I've had this idea for a very long time. Well, part of the idea. Basically, back in December, I built this guy for an order for somebody for Christmas. It never got picked up. Not a big deal. But it has been sitting here against my shop. It was actually in the same spot where the Sasquatch is now, which means that every time I walk out here to get my bike, do anything in the shop, I see this thing. And I've been thinking about painting just a giant version of it onto the side of the shop. Now, I thought about that, and I just didn't want a giant black Sasquatch. I wanted something completely different, but I didn't know what. In talking to somebody and discussing the idea with her, she suggested some sort of triangle art. I don't even remember if we were talking about the Sasquatch. It was just graffiti in general, and she suggested triangle art. Now, I do like geometric art, and I actually used the process, or at least the style, in my shop logo. You guys might have seen that. I'll put it in the cards above. So it's not something new to me. It's something that I do enjoy and I do like. So I thought it was just something different, man. And I think it turned out amazing. But I am super excited. I'm going to introduce you to this project. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure you click that like button. And if you're not already, go ahead and click subscribe. Without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to this piece. Hope you guys enjoy. This is definitely the most unique and different Sasquatch I've ever seen. Maybe you've seen something different. If you have, let me know. Have a good one, guys. Hope you enjoy.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the